hold her down. Okay, you wanted it. Here we are.
Video camera's liking it.
Move your radio.
Hey, we're filming.
Bouncing off your windshield.
The National Weather Service in Caribou, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Penobscot County and east-central Maine, northern Piscataqua County and north-central Maine, central Houston County and northern Maine. This includes the City Jump, Dockwood, Slayton Lake, extreme north-central Somerset County and west-central Maine. This includes the city of St. Used until 5:15 p.m. and 4 o'clock p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 19 miles northeast of Clayton Lake to Dockwood and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include Barnard Limited to Russell Crossing, Churchill Dam, Ashland, Foxbow, Wisborne Crossing, and Wisconsin. Limited to Russell Crossing, Churchill Dam, Ashland, Foxbow, Wisborne Crossing, and Wisconsin.
There's your rain sideways.
There's my man.
Things are better here. Not too bad.
About a year back, 80, 81, we had all that rain there. Road gates had a fence.
Number 14 on the countdown this week, Eric Church and Homeboy. And Eric's new city Chief comes out this coming Tuesday. We got the details this week on Craig Morgan's 5th annual charity riding concert. It's coming up August 6th and 7th. His hometown of Gibson, Tennessee. All that money goes to benefit this place. It's a home for this relationship.
Almost like swimming. Oh, yeah.
Holy shit.
You, look at that, pretty across there. Kind of cool when it comes across there. There's a little bit of that pond. Yeah, it is. The wind,
you started showing her nails, and
Well, I mean, maybe that was a baby one.
that was a warning.
Yeah.
Not, you're looking to do some dirt work.
No. This pretty much is the end of round one. We had some intense wind, not much lightning, and quite a bit of water for about 5 minutes. Here's something going. Is that your man?
LE package, all-wheel drive, well equipped with a roof, skylight, leather seats, heated seats, memory seats. Really comfortable ride for a person.
Now you just got that in.
That just arrived here and it's very sharp, very clean. This makes somebody a nice ride.
Well, thank you very much all for walking along with us. You can see these and many other fine vehicles right here at Garner's Auto on Main Street in Caribou or on the web at www.garnersauto.com.